Thumb drives, external hard drives, and optical storage like CDs and DVDs are all pretty common ways of moving files around. Let's take a look at using a USB drive. I've plugged a USB thumb drive into my system. It shows up here on my desktop, so I'll click it to open it up in the Files app. I'll open a new Files window and browse to my Home folder. With these two windows open, I'll copy some of the files from my Home folder to my drive. I can right-click here on the device in the sidebar and click Properties to find out a little bit more information, like how much space is used on the drive and what the total capacity is. When I'm done using the drive, I'll close its window, and I can choose to eject it from the sidebar here, or I can right-click on it on the desktop and choose Eject. If I just remove it without ejecting it, there might be still some activity going on, and if that gets interrupted, damage can occur to the files on the drive. And now I'm ready to take those files to another computer.